Welcome to Abstract. In this video, I will show you how to translate PDF files to different languages. To do that, search Translate on Google. Click Google Translate link in search results. It will bring you to translate.google.com website. Click Documents button at the top. Upload PDF document here. Select Input and Target Language. For input, it will detect the language. And for target language, let's go with Spanish. We can select any language from this menu. So after selection, click Translate button. And it's ready. We're going to click Open Translation button. And here's the Spanish translation of the document. Or we can download the translated document as well. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.